How to enable multiple audio sources on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to enable multiple audio sources on Android phone. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Android phone settings. Scroll down. Navigate to sound and vibration and you need to navigate to sound assistant. Select that and you need to select multiple audio sources and turn it on. But unfortunately, on my Android phone, right now I do not have got that feature of Sound Assistant. But in case if you have got, you can follow the step and then enable multiple audio sources on your Android phone. Media volume won't adjust during notifications or other audio playback once you enable multiple audio sources on Android device. So that is how you can enable multiple audio sources on Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.